You can create a Yahoo Mail account without using your phone number, but it requires a small workaround because Yahoo usually asks for a phone number for verification, and here's a step-by-step guide. So first of all, you need to go ahead, launch your web browser, go to yahoo.com. You can also use an existing recovery email instead of phone. Tap on sign in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on create an account. Go ahead, enter your full name. Then enter a new Yahoo email address that you'd like to set for your account. Enter a password. Then go ahead and set a date of birth. After that, tap on next. You can see that Yahoo is now asking for phone number to verify. You need to go ahead, enter your phone number over here, and then get code, enter the code, and sign in. But in the case if you do not have any phone number and you want to create an account without using a phone number, you can see the option of create an account with. There are two options. Either you can directly go ahead, log in, continue with your Google account, or enter your email address and password and then enter the code that will be sent to your email address. Then tap on next. So we're going to go ahead and follow the simple step, which is continuing with the Google account. Tap on Google account option over here. Then select the account that you want to use. Tap on continue. Now enter your full name and your birth year. Then tap on next, which is highlighted in purple color, and you'll be done. This is how you can go ahead and create a Yahoo Mail account without using your phone number. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.